Have you ever seen a waterfall that flows upwards? It sounds like something straight out of a fantasy movie, but it's a real natural wonder you can witness in Hawaii, on the island of Oahu. Near the Pali Lookout, you'll find Waipuia Falls, famously known as the Upside-Down Waterfall. So, what's the secret? Is it magic? Not quite, but it's just as cool. The upside-down effect is an incredible illusion created by the powerful trade winds in the area. When the waterfall tumbles down the cliff, the strong gusts of wind are so intense that they catch the falling water and blow it right back up into the air, creating a mesmerizing, misty spray that seems to defy gravity. It's a perfect example of nature playing a beautiful trick on our eyes. This phenomenon only happens after heavy rainfall, so timing is everything if you want to see it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing wonders.